In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email subscription to Blogger if you want to give your readers an easy way to subscribe to updates from your blog. Adding an email subscription form is a simple and effective option. In this walkthrough, we'll be working directly inside Blogger and placing the subscription form into your layout so it appears exactly where you want it, such as in the sidebar. To get started, open your Blogger dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your blog's design, content, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Layout. The Layout section is where Blogger lets you control the structure of your site, including areas like the header, sidebar, footer, and other gadget-ready sections. When the Layout page opens, choose the section where you want your email subscription form to appear. A common choice is the sidebar, since it keeps the form visible without interrupting your blog posts. In that section, click Add a Gadget. This opens a pop-up window with different types of gadgets you can insert into your blog. From the list of available gadgets, select HTML, JavaScript. This is the option you'll use when you already have the subscription form code prepared and ready to insert. It gives you a flexible content box, where you can paste custom code that Blogger will display on your site. Now, take the HTML code you copied earlier for your email subscription form and paste it into the content box. Make sure the code goes into the main content area of the gadget. If there's a title field and you want your form to have a heading, you can add one there, but the important part is making sure the HTML code is placed correctly in the content section. After pasting the code, click Save to save the gadget. This will add the subscription form to the section you selected in your Blogger layout. Depending on your theme, you may also be able to drag and reposition the gadget afterward if you want it to appear higher or lower on the page. Once everything is saved, it's a good idea to preview your blog and confirm that the email subscription form displays properly. Check that it fits neatly into the layout and looks clean on the page. If needed, you can always return to the layout section, open the gadget again, and make small adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully added an email subscription form to your Blogger site, making it easier for readers to stay connected with your latest posts.